Hello, I'm Lorraine from Hedges and Hurdles, Country Skills and Crafts. I'm here in the woods with a group of students who are learning to process wood for use in hedge laying.
Hi, I'm Paul from Hedges and Hurdles. Coppicing sweet chestnut. Sweet chestnut is used for hedging stakes, and the reason we use it is very low sap levels, and so our trainees here are learning the art of cleaving, which is splitting the wood into 2, 4, possibly 6 or 8 sections, then taking off the sharp edges and then pointing them up, ready to be tied into bundles for transportation. From a commercial point of view, when you're coppicing, the amount of stakes I need for hedging, you would use a chainsaw. And actually, when the material is this size, it's far better. It's a great time saver. The noise is a bit of an issue, but we are in the middle of a 1,300 acre woodland. Sometimes we're using a handsaw to cut the smaller diameter stuff, and the long rods that we use for the hedging are cut with a bill hook. If they're trainees, you could just use a normal pair of loppers, because it's important to leave a nice clean cut at the base.